Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. Let's hop on the no waste wagon. Today we're gonna make a going to take leftover coffee grounds. This is an old, already been brewed, nasty. This is from this morning. We're gonna take our kitchen scale and we're gonna measure by weight.
There might be water in there.
There might be water in there. There was 57 grams. And then we're going to do equal parts of sugar. Nailed it. Just raw cane sugar. Nothing special here. So again, equal parts sugar and old coffee grounds, and these coffee grounds still have a lot to give. I'm gonna just get this mixed in. During this maceration process, essentially what we're looking for is all of that excess oil and water and coffee flavor left in the grounds is going to get sucked out by that sugar. And you'll see when we come back that it'll be a little bit soupier than it is right now. We're gonna let that sit for, I don't know, probably like we'll check in like 2 or 3 hours. It kind of took all night to kind of pull all of those oils and flavors out of the coffee. Oh my God. Take it again. Once you've got this part done, we're going to do an equal amount, which was 60 grams of coffee and 60 grams of sugar. So we're going to do 60 grams of hot water. And essentially what we're doing is creating, that was already too much water, creating a coffee syrup of sorts, like a used coffee syrup. This would be a great sustainable way to do it. One thing that would add is, like a lot of things, the quality of your ingredients are going to go a long way here. So I would start with the best coffee you can, the highest quality beans. What we're doing here is just kind of dissolving the rest of that sugar. If you can see, it's all starting to come together. Our next step, I would do this with like a coffee filter if you've got them. I don't have that. And try to get as much, ooh, this is, ready guys? Hold on, no talking. Oh, that was, what was I saying again? I wouldn't press it too much, I guess. Let's see, our yield was, so I would expect like about the amount of water that you put in is the amount of syrup that you're gonna yield. So once we've got this, we're gonna do an equal amount of old coffee. So first we did the coffee grounds and then sugar and then water. We made a syrup. And then we're gonna just cut this with, this is coffee from yesterday. It was just like the leftover coffee in the pot. I measured it out already, so that's the equal amount of, by weight, old coffee. And that's just gonna boost the coffee flavor and give it more kind of complex. We've got some vodka, I think we're gonna go with that. 60 grams of vodka. And that's going in. And we give this a little stir. And there we have it. Let's taste it. Smells like coffee liqueur. Oh, I wanted to also mention that if you wanted to zhuzh this up, it would be like an interesting idea to add just a little bit of vanilla extract or maybe some orange peel. You could even do like cinnamon stick. There's a lot you could do to kind of like make it your own. So we're just gonna stick with like straight up coffee flavor, but you can do lots with it. It's fire. It's delicious. Super coffee. It's got some heat to it. It's definitely not like cloyingly sweet. And The best part is it's made from leftover things that a lot of times just go in the garbage or down the drain. And instead of wasting it, you can get wasted with it. No waste wasted, baby. Save your egg yolks and make mayonnaise. I just threw mine away. I should just make aioli. Whatever. Icy chilled icy boy.